think you're supposed to be playing Super Mario 64. Mr. Teacher, Professor Hootifer.
I don't have the tab open. And that's the Pythagorean theorem. Any questions, class?
Sir, Rick is playing Super Mario 64.
Do I care? Alright, now son. Alright, now what was that Fortnite Battle Pass you were talking to about? Just let it go, Big Bird. Come on. Man, that was a not interesting class. I hate math. Anyway, let's go.
It was really, boring.
Yeah.
I mean,
Ow.
are you okay?
Oh yeah, I'm fine. Into my locker I go.
You have water? I'm really thirsty.
No, I don't have water.
Maybe I have some mine. You just...
Alright, you're getting your water in this.
I got my water. Can I just pick my water? Stop picking my water. Stop it. It's fine. I got my water.
Gotta go fast.
Rick, what are you doing?
Oh no, there's a water puddle.
My water bottle.
You're good till tomorrow, then I got what I needed.
Rick, to my office. Wait, no. Rick, to my office right now. Alright, you're going to my office.
I don't want to go to your office.
Rick! I gotta go after him. Alright, Rick, you're coming to my office.
No, I'm not going to your office. You'll never catch me alive.
No, you're a liability.
Was it good?
Oh, that hurt. Come on, you're coming to my office.
My legs are broken.
Alright, detention for you. Come on, let's go. Alright, Rick, just sit on top of the piano in the box. I'm going to sing a song about following the rules.
No.
Follow the rules.
I'll get you.
Follow the rules, Rick. Come on, time for your detention. Oh boy, that was my favorite student who painted that. Come on, Rick, I know you can go faster than this.
No, my legs are broken.
Too bad. Alright, we're going down this hallway.
You know what?
Why are there cracks in the ceiling and wall?
Oh, well.
What's hiding up there? Alright, Rick, you're gonna have to sit in this chair till you learn to behave. I seriously wonder what those cracks are for. What's going on? Hi, Professor Hootifer. I need to run! 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 You'll never catch me alive!
Man, I don't want to be in detention anymore.
Good job! Good job! Rush me!
Woo! 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 Next! Woo!
Get the little penguin! Penguin!
Woo! Woo!
Fresh meat! Fresh meat! No! Guarded boundary! I'll come back for you! Man, Big Bird, that was a weird, Anyway, I guess we gotta get our lunch.
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Where's the lunch?
I'm hungry. Guys, you're gonna help me. You're gonna help me.
Why would we help you?
Because yeah, you're being a little crazy right now. Because I was just getting chased. And I got stuck in a log. And I saw Professor Hootifer. You guys gotta help me now. He's after me.
I mean, we all. Okay, calm down.
You need to calm down, buddy.
down.
Get your hands off me, please. Just help me.
All right, come on. Let's go find the principal. He knows what to do. All right, guys, we need to find Principal Kermit. Where is he?
I might know where he is. I'm like his special student. I'm amazing. Okay.
We know, Big Bird. We know.
I'm not saying that.
Okay, we just need to find him and tell him what happened.
Wait, wasn't he dragging you to detention?
Yeah, but I was in detention and
Okay, so what he's trying to say is Hootifer, attacked him and Kermit ran.
yeah.
Chipotle catering.
We just had lunch.
I didn't want Chipotle. Chipotle chicken.
I'm traumatized.
All right, come on, let's go this way. All right, what do you three need? Well, the animals, the teachers, they're going wild.
Yeah.
Well, that's not my issue. See, I'm a frog. I'm not dealing with that. You three can go deal with it.
No, but you're the principal of the school, so you can deal with that.
I'm going to the safe room. I don't feel safe here.
Principal, come back.
No. Principal, please. Safe room. No, we were so close to actually getting help we need. All right, well, let's go find Professor Donald. He might know what to do.
Wait, what if Donald is a birdbrain too?
Yeah.
We won't be able to tell, okay? We just won't be able to tell. Yeah, exactly. Come on, let's go.
Donald, what are you doing? I think our Spanish teacher's not okay.
Yeah, I don't know what's going on.
Maybe he's also infected.
He's not infected. That's regular Donald.
Wait. Yeah, his heart's normal.
Yeah. Wow. That's not really good Spanish. Maybe we should just move the
Run! Huh.
That's the guy.
Wait, guys, to my locker!
I told you.
Get.
I think.
Close the door, It's closed. All right.
I told you.
So what are you?
I told you. He's insane.
All right, so if we're gonna sacrifice anybody, it's gonna be Big Bird.
What? Why would you sacrifice me? I'm your friend.
You're annoying.
I'm gonna eat you.
All right, time to sacrifice him.
No, please don't do this. No.
Okay, and
Yeah, do that funny dance.
Ow. No, please don't do this.
Well, that's the end of him.
I don't know what to do. I'm scared. I'm sorry for hurting you earlier. Where do we go now?
Follow me.
We'll still be around the corner here. What about Donald?
I don't know.
Yeah, he's the Spanish teacher.
You need to make an outgoing call.
We're not actually gonna do it.
Hello, police? Yeah, please, we need help.
Yeah, please. There's people and they're attacking us.
We do not watch too many movies. He just hung up on me.
No.
The dial tone is loud. Come on. Wait, we'll be safe back here behind all these tables.
Why is it like this?
Don't know.
Careful. Yeah.
Hmm.
It looks like somewhere Kermit would hide.
Does.
Pretty stable.
Pretty stable.
Pretty stable. Yeah, no.
Pretty stable.
No. Then let's not. Come on.
Oh. All right. Well, guess we should just drink some. Don't put your feet in there.
I'm thirsty.
Yeah, that was quite delicious. What's that? Run!
Go!
I'm on your back. Run! Nothing up there. Back on my back. One this way. Run this way. Hide inside the couch. Hide under. Alright, just shh. Put him on the ground. Have him on the ground. No. Like, have him walking on the ground.
I'm just gonna use the restroom. Okay? Don't go anywhere.
All right.
Wait for me here. Thank you.
Oh my. He's getting close.
I might take a nice peek on there. I'm tired.
I don't know. Let's get out of here before he wakes up.
Yeah. Why you sleep? Wake up! No sleep!
Oh, throwing. Oh, they're flying.
No sleep on job!
Sorry, boss.
Back to layer. Bird layer now!
I'm flying out of control.
The birdie! To office! Road! Or dumb bird! Bird play piano. Play Rushy. Enough birdie! Enough birdie! Birdie go kidnap penguin and roadrunner. Go! Back to evil! We gotta go up to the science lab. It'll be our only way to help Roadrunner. Huh? What's that? Oh, come on, we gotta run. It was filmed sideways. Where are you going? Hey! Birdies! Save yourself! Whoa! No! Close it, close it. Do you think he heard that?
You come here, birdie.
No.
Here. Come.
Wait. This one doesn't have a lock. Wait. You'll never catch me alive.
Open. Like you just locked your pet in here.
Whoops. Birdie, get out. Too fast.
Careful back there. Just leave them in there, Mikey. Just kidding.
I know which locker it was and which area, so we're good.
That is custodian. I can't believe all the walking we've done. Are you filming? Oh.
I heard you! You can run, but you cannot hide! And I'm more tired.
Penguin! Penguin, where are you?
I'm over here, across.
Penguin. Wait.
I'm a penguin.
Get rid of that. Get rid of it. No, get rid of it.
All right, I'm in here.
Get rid of it.
I got the cure. Come on, let's go.
Pax.
We got a cure.
Peyton.
Yeah.
Peyton,
What do you want, Rick?
we need that got the cure, and we have to secretly get everyone to get it. You know what I mean? He's in there.
I think he's in here. Come on, let's go.
Gotta be.
All right, I got the cure. Let's just inject it into Mr. Hootifer. Ooh, what is going on? Shh.
We have to get you out of here.
Just be quiet. Just be quiet.
Here, I got it.
All right, we're gonna bring him out of here. Get the normal big bird. All right, Donald. Shh. Shh. Just go free. Go free. Yeah. I don't want to do this.
What are you doing?
Shh.
No, whatever.
We gotta get him. We're gonna go find a place to lock him up. Come on.
Why is this hat so heavy?
We need to leave him in here forever.
Yeah. Thank God it's my locker.
Yeah. We're gonna have to get a new locker.
I don't mind. There's way less kids than there are lockers, so.
Yeah.
Do not open. All right, we're good.
Yeah.
Oh man, that was fun. Well, we had to.
Oh, my legs are really tired, and
Yeah.
I'm like literally
The fastest thing on Earth.
Guys, I don't know if I want to leave. Like, I lost home. I just go home.
Let's just push the button. Perfect. We don't even have to open it.
Yeah. We don't even need to.
To my precious home, the mailbox.
Do you
Just
think we
kidding.
can fit?
I can fit in there.
Sleepover.
Sleepover. All right, we're going back inside. I'm not doing this.
Hello, my baby. Hello, my honey. Hello, my ragtime gal. Send me a kiss by wire.
Oh man, this is a fun game.
Yeah. I never knew it would be so fun.
Nah, this is so hard.
You need to calm down.
I'm rage quitting.
So fun. I found the Luigi monument.
The Luigi monument? The Ella's real monument. Cool.
Luigi monument. Oh my gosh. Look, it's Princess Peach's picture.
No one cares.
About you.
Yep, you think you're a joker.
What's bro doing, bro? Alright, I'm gonna.
Huh? What's that?
I just swam.